मिनट की बनानी पड़ती। Hello, my name is Latika Maltare.
My name is Pawan Patel.
My name is Anushri Sonia.
And we are the students of Jawaharlal Nehru School, Senior in Bhopal.
I am here with my friends and we together made a science project. Our topic is future fuel hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is an element with symbol H. Hydrogen is a gas with diatomic molecules having the formula H2. It is colorless, odorless, non-toxic and combustible. Now the question is, how is hydrogen gas formed? So, hydrogen gas can be formed with a variety of domestic resources like natural gas, nuclear power, biomass, renewable power like solar and wind. Today there are several methods of generating hydrogen gas. Two most commonly used methods are natural gas reforming and electrolysis. Now what is electrolysis? Electrolysis of water is a process of using electricity to decompose water into oxygen and hydrogen. Gas produced by this process is used as hydrogen fuel. DC electrical power supply is used to connect two electrodes with or the two plates placed in the water. Hydrogen will appear at cathode and oxygen will appear at anode. Assuming Faraday efficiency, amount of hydrogen is twice than the amount of oxygen. Both are proportional to the total electrical charge contained by the solution.
Now the question is that we are using hydrogen gas in today's days. So hydrogen gas is used as fuel to generate electricity, power and heat. Hydrogen gas is mainly used for petroleum refining and fertilizer production. As we know that something has advantages, it also has disadvantages. Now let's see some disadvantages of hydrogen gas. First, it is expensive, it is difficult to store, it cannot be replaced easily, it is highly flammable.
Now, let's see some advantages of hydrogen gas. It is readily available. It doesn't produce any harmful radiations. It is environmentally friendly. It can also be used as rocket fuel. It is renewable. Virtually, the earth has no pure hydrogen because it is so reactive. Most of hydrogen on the earth is made up of methane, by the process of which produces carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Hydrogen is also made up from water by the process of electrolysis, but it requires electrical energy. Now I tell you the basic, and now the question is how we convert hydrogen gas into fuel. We all know that the gas is not on the same place. So if we want to use hydrogen as a fuel, we have to put it on very cool temperature at high pressure, and then it converts into liquid, and then you can use hydrogen as a fuel. I wish to express my deep gratitude and sincere thanks to our science teacher, Ms. Parnita Shakia ma'am, for all the support and guidance that she provided us for this project. I extend my hearty thanks to our school for the successful completion of this project by providing us the laboratory required for this project. I again thankful to our principal and vice principal, Mr. N. Chandrasekhar sir and Mr. S.K. Pathak sir for such encouragement.
Thank you.